Did you know that the first high-level programming language wasn't invented in the 20th century? It was actually created in the 1950s and called Fortran, short for Formula Translation, designed to make it easier to program mathematical computations. It was a game-changer for scientists and engineers. Fortran is still used today in fields like weather forecasting and physics simulations. What's even more fascinating is that it's a language that helped shape modern programming, influencing many languages that followed. It's proof that even the oldest code can still have a major impact on the tech we use today.